Hi, I'm Jason Holland.
I'm Carrie Lynn Holland with Remax River City.
And we're standing here today in Cloverdale. Cloverdale's a cozy community. You're going to have homes nestled in on really quiet streets overlooking parks. So you're going to see everything from professionals that work downtown to young families with kids playing in the park.
Outside your front door is the River Valley, so the largest park in North America. So besides that, there's Gallagher Park, the Folk Fest is here, so you have honestly everything at your fingertips if you want to be outside for the whole entire summer.
It's just a beautiful area and so close to downtown, truly a 15-minute walk. You can right now walk over and take up the funicular, or you can walk up the steps. Either way, it's a very worthwhile view looking back. And you can see where I live, the landing nestled in on the edge of the river, all surrounded by trees. It's just perfection as far as I'm concerned.
It's just a wonderful neighborhood. The kids all get together, the parents all get together. It's a really nice village. We moved into Cloverdale 22 years ago after building. We had first come into the neighborhood after seeing Folk Fest, really enjoyed everything, the vibe, the people, the music, and it didn't take us long to figure out that we love this neighborhood, and we have not wanted to move since.
With Gallagher Park, you can go for walks, you can go for picnics. That's also where the Community League Club is located out of, and they're very engaged with this community. The Edmonton Ski Club turns into the Edmonton Bike Club in the summer. You know, whether or not you just want an evening stroll and you don't want to engage that much and look at a perfect sunset, or if you really want to get active, this is a wonderful route to do that in.
Cloverdale's always offered good access to the River Valley trails. I know myself, I've always used the hill, the Folk Fest hill, which is probably about 80 meters to the top. I used to train there for hockey with a couple of my other friends. Definitely there's a lot of people that flock to this area for fitness and health.
The one thing with Cloverdale too, there's not a lot of land. So from the investment side of it too, yeah, maybe an older house might get taken down and a new house will go in, but it's not a sprawl. So it is have a village feel, and that a lot of pride of ownership in the neighborhood. So that really protects its value as well. There's some good opportunities here in Cloverdale to invest in a condo, invest in an older house and renovate it, or a renovated older house, or a brand new infill. There's really a lot of selection.
The listing we have right now is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo.
The biggest draw to this building is kind of the downsizer type of client that wants that feel of a home. Because of the level of finishings throughout the entire building and the professional management gives it that feel of a complete home.
I think the proximity to the amenities, the downtown being so close, and then the River Valley being so close, future LRT stop going to be right at the Mootart Conservatory. So I mean, this community is going to be open to every part of the city.
I think it really has something for everybody. And that's where the mature communities, that's something that all the mature communities seem to have throughout the city, but there's not a high number of listings on the market ever in Cloverdale. So that goes back to why people love living here. But if there's opportunity to invest in Cloverdale, I would definitely take that chance right now, because you'll be very happy with the surroundings, with your actual overall investment, and then how it's going to grow over the years.